Hi, my name is Whitney Farmer, and I'm from Hamburg, Arkansas. I'm 35 years old. I have a husband named Andy, and we've been married for almost 17 years. We have two daughters, Olivia, age 10, and Chloe, age 5. And they both attend the school that I teach at, which is Crossett Elementary School. I teach first grade. This is my first full year of teaching. I started after Christmas of last year, and I really enjoy teaching. I love to see that the students have that aha moment when they learn something new or they finally grasp a concept that they've been working on. I also have a background in special education. I worked with special education students while I was in college, and so I have the knowledge to know that all students can learn. We just have to meet them where they are. And so I use that concept a lot when I'm working with students because I know that we have students who can get something the first time, and some students it takes them a while to grasp a certain skill. And so I believe all students can learn. It's just meeting them where they're at. And I enjoy teaching. I love my kids this year. I have a really great class, and we've had a lot of fun, and it's just been a great experience. I'm a Christian. I love to craft. I love to make flower arrangements and work in my yard. And a lot of those attributes or hobbies um, go into my teaching. I like to be creative with my kids. I do talk to them about Jesus, and they know that I love them and that God loves them and that they're all special to me no matter what. And I really try to let them know that every day. I'm enjoying being in the MAT program. I've learned a lot about teaching and learning and just so many things that I didn't know prior to being in the program. And I think it's helped me to become a better teacher. I'm excited to learn more about this class and to look forward to this semester. Thank you.